in few minutes, let me show you how to achieve this raw full draping on this skirt. So what you want to do is to make use of pattern. You cannot achieve this with free hand, you have to make use of pattern. So you want to mark on each side of about 3 inches each. So you're marking on 3 inches, I mean with the interval of 3 inches. So you're marking 3 inches, the next one will be 6, while the next one 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. You just keep on going like that, giving interval of 3 inches. So after marking on both sides, you want to connect them together, mark a straight line across the two sides of the skirt. So you just like the way I'm doing. So if you're a fashion designer and you are yet to follow this page, you are actually mixing out a lot. On this page, Raw Tailoring, I do upload illustration videos on how to cut and sew. So if you haven't followed this page or you're seeing my video for the first time, click on the subscribe button or the follow button so you can see more interesting videos like this. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video so that others too can learn from this. After marking, I want to label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on like that, so that if I cut, I won't mix them up upon transferring this pattern onto my fabric. So you should label yours, and after labeling, you are to cut them out. So cut them out, and then you're going to arrange it on your fabric to have the excess in fabric so that you can give it those plinting at both side, I mean on both side. So just cut it out like this. Let me inform you about a program of mine starting on the first day of February called Role Empowerment, which we're going to be giving a sewing machine to a lucky winner every month. If you want to find out how you can participate and stand a chance to win a sewing machine starting from February, then you should follow this page. Go to the page and visit the page and go through my previous post on that empowerment. So this means I'm placing the pattern on the fabric, giving an interval of 1.5 inches. So if you're working on a real measurement like a big pattern, then you should give 1.5 inches interval between each pattern. So all the measurements I've shared here have measurement for you working on a real pattern like a big pattern. So simply just feel free to apply all the measurements I've said here to your real pattern. So I'm going to save guide it with an office pin with office pins. Then after that, you can go on to your sewing machine and sew them